In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very quick tutorial on how to update your Google Chrome browser in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, you can simply tap it here or either use the search box, search for Google Chrome, and once you've seen the best match, just click on open and that way you'd be able to be navigated on this page. So from that, you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize or control Google Chrome. And at the right pane, you need to find for settings, which has this gear icon. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'd be navigated in this new page where here you are being redirected to the Chrome settings. So by that, please navigate to the left pane. Find for an option called About Chrome next to extensions. Click on that one and here it will automatically check for updates. So in my case, Chrome is up to date, but in your case, if not, then it will automatically update your Google Chrome. So all you need to do is you need to ensure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection to complete the updating process fastly or easily. Okay. So by that, all you need to do is you need to wait until the updating process would be finished. And once done, it will ask you to relaunch your Windows. Just click on relaunch to relaunch your Google Chrome rather. Okay, relaunch your Google Chrome browser. And then that way you'd be able to successfully update your Chrome into the latest version. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.